front of me is POCO C71, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Either way, when you're ready, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, you can also select this icon of a folder at the bottom right corner. Look for a photo you wish to attach and click on it. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!